Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Dofu Sport app. Dofu Sport is a sports app that provides live scores, standing, match details, and highlights for sport such as football, basketball, baseball. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to open the App Store, and after that, you can simply tap on the search in the top and type down the Dofu and search for it. And over here you can find the Dofu in the top. Select the Dofu app, and from here you need to tap onto this get icon, and after that you need to wait for the installation to complete, and you can start following your favorite sports, leagues and team. And Dofu features the live scores and matches updates, league standings, match statistics and video highlights, favorites and notifications for the team and leagues. And that is it. This is how you can download and install the Dofu Sports app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.